Your child is admitted to daycare or a school in Finland. However, how to get update about him or her? How to check notices from daycare or school? How to communicate with daycare or school? How to report sickness or absence of child? The answer of all these questions is Wilma.
Okay, so before watching this video, I hope like you already went through the playlist and watched these informative videos about Finland and EU. So you can click here full playlist and you can check like all these informative videos about Finland and EU, and especially this how to apply for daycare in Finland with live demo. Yes, so I hope like you already watched this video.
So hello friends, so welcome to Desi Teacher Europe. So today we will come to know about Wilma. What is Wilma and what is this tool? So what is Wilma? Mostly all city schools or daycare in Finland does not matter in which city or municipality you are. They use Wilma. So Wilma is a web interface to provide an effective communication between daycare, the school or teacher and guardian or students. Who can use Wilma? Guardians or parents? Students and schools or teachers. How is Wilma used by parents? So parents receive username and password from their school or daycare where their children are admitted. Even your baby is in daycare, you will get the Wilma username and password. Parents use Wilma to obtain necessary information about teaching arrangements and notices. Parents can also report their child's illness on Wilma. Parents can also check their children's grade in various subjects and reports absence on Wilma. Parents can also read bulletins posted by schools and respond to questions posted by principal or teachers. Please remember, guardians lose Wilma username and password when your child turn 18. So you know it, right? A legal age student is responsible for accounting for his or her absences in manner agreed upon the school. So after 18 you have, this is very bad thing, right? So you have no control, you cannot check like the information, or because this is against the law here in Finland, because your child will be adult, so he or she is solely responsible like whatever he or she does. How is Wilma used by a student or children? So students receive their username and passwords from school. All students can check their grades and absence recorded by teachers on Wilma. They can be in touch with teachers with instant messages and read bulletins posted by the school. They can also respond to questionnaires on Wilma. They can read school timetables on Wilma by the school if the school chooses to publish timetables on Wilma. Students at Journal Upper Secondary Schools can make course selections on Wilma. More information on Wilma and how to use Wilma will be obtained from a school assistant. How is Wilma used by schools, teachers or daycare centers? So teachers record students' evaluation on Wilma. Teachers publish information about upcoming tests and absences. Teachers can also monitor absence reports from parents on Wilma. Teachers can communicate with guardians with instant messages. The school can post bulletins, questionnaires, and school timetables on Wilma. If your baby is in daycare, not in school, but still you can use Wilma to check the information and mark absences of your baby or summer holidays. Now I will give you live demo how to use Wilma. My baby is only 1.5 years old, so he is in daycare center, but still the format of Wilma, when you open the Wilma, will be the same. Doesn't matter your baby or your children is in daycare or is in school. Okay.
Okay, so if you want to access the Wilma website, so you just maybe if you don't remember, right? So you just can say, so you just can write, for example, Wilma and the city name where like and the city name. For example, I can write Wilma Helsinki. Yes, so you can say helsinki.inschool.fi. Okay, remember this helsinki.inschool.fi, and you can say the username and password, and it will be given by the school where your children is admitted. Okay, and for example, if I write Wilma Vasa, yes, you can see vasa.inschool.fi. So the what is the format? The city name dot inschool.fi. Yes, and then you can write the here username and password. And similarly for any city, it will be the city name dot inschool.fi. So this is already the email and password we already have. So means like the username or password like we already got from the school, and then we register we this official email was already registered, so this email and password we have for this Wilma access. You will also get your username and password from the school, and then later you can update your password. Well, so then if I log into the Wilma, yes, so now you can see here the messages. Yes, so where is messages? And if you want to convert maybe some by maybe it will be in Finnish or Swedish, so you can just maybe translate to English, right? And if it is English daycare or English school, or then it could be also in English now, right? So no problem. So then you can see like the messages like these messages are sent by the school or daycare. So this is basically, my baby is only 1.5 years old, so 1.5 years old only. So that's why there is no like you cannot check like some grades or all, because he is just in daycare, right? So but still it will be the same format you can see here. Doesn't matter like your baby is in the school or daycare. So support and then application and decision. So for example, you can apply, here's a new application, right? So for example, if you will get a message or you will get notification in Wilma that you have to apply for your child, or your, for example, if your baby is in daycare, so you have to apply the like holidays, right? Because there are holidays, right? So if your daycare is already closed, so they can move, they can shift your baby to another daycare. So they just want to ask like, you need support or not, you need daycare facilities or not. This is for daycare, right? And similarly for the school, so like if your baby is in a school, you will get a lot of information here, right? And the announcement by the teacher or by the school you can find here, right? And the staff members, the list of staff members and email ID you can find here, so you can send directly, you can directly contact by clicking here, right? Okay, email, so you can directly send email to them. And another of staff members also you can find the name and email IDs. And here you will get the form, which is the consent form, like for example they can use your videos and all, like photos of students work or not for their use. Okay, so this is just a normal way. But for example, I just want to show you, like here for example you can fill up the application. So I can see like here in the message, I did not fill up, I already read this. So I just clicked the Google Translate. So here for example there is a autumn holidays, right? So if I open this message, what they wrote, it will be in English also. So notify your child need early childhood education or enter the agreement on child's absence in autumn. So there will be there is holiday from 17th October to 21st of October. So we have to fill up like we need like another daycare or not, like, yes. So we have to fill up this. So this daycare will be closed, but so they can maybe provide support, or they can shift during these holidays. They can shift the child to another daycare during these holidays. Okay, so I need basically the child care or daycare. So I will fill up I can clear the new application and here they will notify again that autumn holiday 2022 you have to fill up between 7 to 21 October. You need daycare or not, or you need child care or not. Need for care. So I will fill up okay all days. So 17th of October. Yeah. So 17th of October to 21st of October. Yes. Yeah. 17th October to 21st of October I filled. Yes. We need childcare 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay. Yeah. I need to just select maybe, okay, my child needs early childhood education for this autumn holiday period. That's it. This is for example, if somebody wants to 1 day or 2 days, but it's okay, right? So I can save it, and that's it. So we have informed. So I have informed that I need like childcare during these holidays. So this is the way like you can do as a parent, and you can also read like progress of your child, not child, basically when he's studying, because my baby is only 1.5 year old. So I can just contact like, okay, what is the, like if I have some, for example, baby is sick, I can just inform about the, I can notify, I can send email or message Yes, so because you can see the staff members, so you can just notify. Well, so Wilma is a very good web interface, right? It's between the student or parent and the school or teacher or daycare. So it's a good communication medium, and it's very good, I think, right?
So this is all from Desi Teacher in Europe. I hope you like this video, and there are many videos regarding Finland, like informative videos about Finland, right? And I will keep updating about like informative videos about Finland and other European countries. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get updated about the next video. And there are our Facebook group, right? So please check the description box. Please join those Facebook groups, right? One is the Finland International Community, other is free jobs, education and jobs in Europe, and other is also Europe news. There are three Facebook groups also you have to join. So thank you very much and have a good day.